It's great to get out in the fresh air and spend time cooking up a feast. However, barbecues can be dangerous if not handled responsibly. It's important to always keep safety in mind. Never use a barbecue indoors or on your balcony, and certainly never leave it unattended. Be careful where you position your barbecue. And always be aware that carbon monoxide will be generated by a barbecue, so be careful and always ventilate any areas that may have allowed smoke to build up. Do not use flammable liquids when lighting the barbecues. Fire lighters are always a much safer option. Keep your grills and trays clean by removing grease and fat. The deposits can be extremely flammable. Please check the gas cylinder hose for leaks before using it. By applying a light soapy solution of water, you can check for gas bubbles. If you smell gas whilst cooking, immediately knock off the gas supply and disconnect the cylinder. If you're unable to do this safely, please call us immediately. After cooking, always turn the gas supply off, and it's good practice to disconnect the cylinder to prevent any gas from leaking. Great care must always be taken with disposable barbecues. Make sure that they are fully extinguished. Do this by pouring water or sand onto them, and certainly do not dispose of them until they are completely cooled. The ground or sand underneath the barbecue will have got very hot, so it's very important to highlight this to everyone attending your barbecue. Every year we respond to many incidents where people have disposed of barbecues in bins before checking that they are cold and extinguished. Barbecues should be fun, but don't spoil them by being careless.